How to find .htaccess file on cPanel. This is a step-by-step video so you can follow easily. Now this is extremely simple. All you have to do is to go ahead and click on your file manager right here. And once inside, you can just go ahead and make sure that your settings is set on the hidden folders. To do that, you want to click on settings and you want to make sure that the show hidden files is turned on or has been checked. Right after, go ahead and click on the save button, wait for it to load in, and from here you can then go ahead and see your .htaccess file right here. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.